what is changing making problem? Changing making problem, the definition is to address the question to find a minimum amount of coins to add up a given amount of money. So, changing making problem is the fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount. So the real life example of changing making problem is vending machine. So when you use vending machine, you will have 10 cent and 50 cent and 20 cent to buy a mineral of water. So how many the minimum amount that 50 cent and 10 cent and 20 cent to achieve that 100K? To solve this problem, we'll be using top-down dynamic programming.
So this is the question that is using 3 coins, 1, 2 and 5. So the amount that we need is 9. We have to draw a box from 0 to 9. The method that will be used is use the first coin, use the second coin and use the third coin. Here are the first solution of the first coin. This is the solution for the second coin. This is the solution for the third coin. So here are the solution. I'm explaining it. First one is the boxes. Here are the answer in the box, and here are the maximum amount. Notice that in the box of 0, there's the answer 0 because there is no coin we'll be using there. It is the initial 0. So we move on to the next box, that is 1. So we will be using the first coin, that is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 in the box is 0. Zero plus 1 is 1. So we compare 1 to 10. Notice that 1 is less than 10. So we will put 1 inside the box 1. And we move on to the second coin, that is 2. 2 is more than 1, so we will not be using it.
2 minus 1 can get 1. So let's see at the answer in the subproblem 1 is 1. So we take 1 plus 1 can get 2. So 2 is the less than 10. So now the new answer in the subproblem 2 is 2. So let's try another coin. 2 minus 2 can get 0. So the answer in the subproblem 0 is 0. So we take 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 less than 2. So now the new answer in the subproblem 2 is 1. Okay. So let's begin with the subproblem 3. So 3 minus 1 can get 2. So the answer in the subproblem 2 is 1. So we take 1 plus 1 can get 2. So 2 is less than 10. So the new answer in the subproblem 3 is 2. So let's try another coin. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer in the subproblem 1 is 1. So we take 1 plus 1 is 2. So now 2 versus 2. So the same answer. So the best answer in the subproblem 3 is 2. Nothing changed. So now we try the subproblem 4. 4 minus 1 can get 3. So the answer in the subproblem 3 is 2. So we take 2 plus 1 can get 3. So now 3 is less than 10. So the new answer in the subproblem 4 is 3. So let's try another coin. 4 minus 2 can get 2. So the answer in the subproblem 2 is 1. So we take 1. 1 plus 1 can get 2. So now 2 is less than 3. So the new answer in the subproblem 4 is 2.
Assalamualaikum, I am Drina, so let's continue. So now 5, if you use 1 as last coin, 5 minus 1, 4. It's going right here. 2 plus 1 versus 10. So 3 versus 10. 3 is less than 10. So we choose 3. Now if I use 2 as last coin, so 5 minus 2, the best answer at 3 is 2. So 2 plus 1, then we have 3. So 3 versus 3, so nothing changed. So now we can use 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So best answer is 0. 0 plus 1 versus 3, so we choose 1. 6 minus 1, when we got 5, so it's gonna be right here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 versus 10, 2 less than 10. So we choose 2. And then 6 minus 2 equal to 4. The best answer is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 versus 2. So we just remain 2. And then 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So the best answer is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 versus 2, but nothing changed. So just remain 2. Then we move to 7. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. So the best answer is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 versus 10, 3 less than 10. So which is 3. And then 7 minus 2, we get 5. So the best answer is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 versus 3. So we choose 2. And then 7 minus 5 equal to 2. The best answer is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 versus 3. So we just remain 2.
Okay, next we will move to the next subproblem, which is 8. We will subtract it with coins 1 and we will get the answer is 7. So we take a look at the subproblem 7 and see what is the minimum amount coin for subproblem 7. So the minimum amount coin for subproblem 7 is 2. So we will add it with 1 and compare it with the previous minimum amount coin for subproblem 8, which is 10. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the previous one is 10. So 3 and 10, 3 is the minimum. So we will put the minimum amount coin for subproblem 8 is 3. So we will cancel the previous one. So the next with coins 2 and we will get the answer is 6. So we take a look at the subproblem 6 and take a look at the minimum amount coins for subproblem 6. The minimum amount coins for subproblem 6 is 2. So we will add it with 1 and compare it with the previous. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and the previous one is 3. So there is no minimum amount because the minimum, we can see that the output is same. So the minimum amount coin for subproblem 8 will remain 3. So next 8 with coin 5 and the answer that we get is 3. So we take a look at the subproblem 3 and see the minimum amount coin for subproblem 3. So the minimum amount coin for subproblem 3 is 2. So we will add it with 1 and compare with previous. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and the previous one is 2. So the answer is same as the before. So it will remain the minimum amount coin for subproblem 8 is 3. So next subproblem 9 with coins 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So we will take a look at subproblem 8 and the minimum amount for subproblem 8 is 3. So we will add the minimum amount coin for subproblem 8 with 1s and compare it with 10. So 3 plus 1, we get the answer is 4 and the previous one is 10. So the minimum amount we get is 4. So we will put the new minimum amount coin for subproblem 9 is 4 and the previous one we will cancel. So next step, subproblem 8 with 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7 and we take a look at subproblem 7 and the minimum amount coin for subproblem 7 is 2. So we will add it with 1 and compare it with the previous one which is 4. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and the previous one is 4. So 3 is the minimum one. So we will replace 3 as the new minimum amount called for subproblem 9. So next, we will subtract 9. We will subtract 9 with coin 5. So the answer is 9 minus 5 is 4. So we will take a look at subproblem 4, and the new amount called for subproblem 4 is 2. So 2, we will add 2 with 1 and compare with previous 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and the previous 1 is 3. So there is no change because the answer is there is no minimum amount and the largest amount, because 3 is equal to 3, so it will remain as 3. So we can conclude that we can to find the minimum amount coin for by using coin change making is 5, 2 and 1, because we can see that in subproblem 5, 2 and 1 we got the minimum amount. So to get the amount of 9, we can use 5 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 9, and this is the minimal amount that we get.